Welcome. Today we have a story. Our story is about animals. We will learn about animals at the zoo. Are you ready? Let's begin. One sunny morning, a little girl asks her mum, "Mum, where are we going today?" Her mum smiles and says, "We are going to the zoo." "The zoo, wow," says the little girl. She is very happy. Her mum says, "Yes, the zoo. Let's get ready. Put on your shoes." The little girl puts on her red shoes. Her mum says, "Good job. Now let's take some water." It is a warm day. They are ready to go. They go to the zoo. At the zoo, they see many animals. The first animal is very big. It is a lion. The lion is big and strong. The lion is the king of the jungle. Listen, what sound does the lion make? The lion roars. Roar. Let's say it together. The lion roars. The little girl says, "Wow, the lion is loud." Her mum says, "Yes, the lion is very loud." What does the lion do? The lion roars. Next, they see another big animal. It is an elephant. The elephant is very big. It is grey. It has big ears. Look at its long nose. The elephant has a trunk. The elephant uses its trunk to drink water. It is a gentle animal. Let's say it together. The elephant has a trunk. The little girl asks, "Is the trunk long?" Her mum says, "Yes, the elephant has a long trunk." What does the elephant have? The elephant has a trunk. Now they see a very tall animal. It is a giraffe. The giraffe is so tall, it has a very long neck. The giraffe eats leaves from the tall trees. It has a long neck to reach the leaves. Let's say this slowly. The giraffe has a long neck. The little girl says, "A long neck, so long." Her mum smiles. Yes, a very long neck. What does the giraffe have? The giraffe has a long neck. Look over there. What is that? It's a monkey. The monkey is so funny. The monkey likes to play. The monkey jumps. Jump, jump. The monkey climbs. Climb, climb, climb. The monkey swings. Swing, 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 swing. The monkey is very active. It is having fun. Let's say the words jump, climb, swing. The little girl laughs. The monkey is funny. It jumps so high. What does the monkey do? The monkey jumps and plays. Now, let's look up. What do you see in the sky? It's a bird. There are many birds at the zoo. They have beautiful colors. Birds can fly. They fly high in the sky. Birds can also sing. Tweet, tweet, tweet. They make a happy sound. Let's say it together. Birds can fly. The little girl points. Look, that bird is blue. It can fly. Her mum says, "Yes, it's a beautiful blue bird." What can birds do? Birds can fly. The little girl and her mum are a little tired now. They find a bench and sit down. The mum says, "Let's have a short break. Let's drink some water." They drink their water. It feels good. The little girl says, "Mum, I am happy. I learned about animals. I saw a lion, an elephant, a giraffe, a monkey, and a bird." Her mum gives her a hug. "That's wonderful. I am happy you are learning." After their break, they go home. At home, they talk more about animals. Mum shows the little girl a video on her tablet. Look, this is a dolphin. A dolphin lives in the water. A dolphin swims. The dolphin swims in the big blue ocean. Swim, swim, swim. Then they look at a picture book. This is a cow. A cow lives on a farm. A cow says moo, moo, moo. The cow says moo. The little girl hears a sound. Woof, woof, it's their dog. The dog wags its tail. A dog barks, woof, woof. The dog is happy to see them. Then another pet comes. Meow. It's their cat. The cat is soft and quiet. A cat meows, meow, meow. The cat rubs against her leg. So many animals. Animals at the zoo and animals at home. Animals are all around us. Animals are important. They make our world a beautiful place. We must be kind to all animals. We love animals. Thank you for listening to our story about animals. I hope you had fun. Goodbye, children. Bye-bye.